Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will help you out with how to get or turn on dark mode on Instagram. So as you can see that currently my Instagram account is in the light mode. So if I want to change it to the dark mode, what you can do is you can simply tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you can use the search bar and here you can search for dark mode. Now once you are able to find dark mode, you just have to simply tap on it, and by default it will set on the system default, which simply means that if your system is in the light mode, then your Instagram will be in light mode, and if your system is in dark mode, then you will get your Instagram in the dark mode. So here you just have to simply tap on the on button in order to turn on the dark mode, and after that your dark mode will be enabled in your Instagram, as you can see over here. And this is how you can easily get the dark mode on Instagram. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, you can also comment down in the comment section. Thanks for watching.